So far this winter, we've had a few cold snaps, but overall, it's been a little warm. Well, we got a light dusting of snow last night. Right now, the temperatures are in the single digits, and the forecast is calling for below freezing conditions for the foreseeable future. So at least a couple more weeks. I'm just going to take care of some animal chores and get back inside to stay warm. To prepare for this weather, I made sure we were stocked up on animal feed. I also made sure that all our vehicles' tanks were filled. I also checked the gas and diesel tanks over there to make sure they were ready for us. We just made a big grocery run to Walmart last week, so really, we shouldn't need to drive anywhere. It's just good peace of mind to know that we have this available. Just yesterday, I had an echocardiogram test for my heart. I'm grateful it was yesterday, so I don't have to drive in this. The heart specialist is fairly sure I did not have an actual heart attack, but he wants to be thorough. This echocardiogram test should definitely rule out any permanent damage that might have occurred to my heart. Chickens, it's not that bad. Our chickens don't even want to come out in this weather. The day before yesterday, I emptied the chicken's larger waterer. In this weather, it was just going to freeze solid. It is so nice to have the electric chicken waterer, so our chickens have liquid water available to them. Brave chickens. Tell your friends to come out. I'm not sure how much snow we're going to get. Obviously, it's still snowing. The electric de-icers that we have for both the boys and the girls are a godsend. The day before yesterday, we made sure that these were all filled up. That makes everything just easier in this kind of weather. The goats, of course, have their straw and hay to keep them warm here in the shelter. They also snuggle up with each other to stay warm. I've latched this door shut so the wind doesn't come in and cool things down too much. Yes, you're the good buddy. It was a little while back, but we moved this tire waterer here to keep the gate propped open. We want our goats to have access to this area, but we would not want them to be in there and accidentally have a goat close and latch that gate on them, because then they'd be locked out in the snow. On days like this, all of our goats are going to stay inside their enclosures. Who wants to go out in the snow? Who wants to go out in the snow? All I really have to do is make sure that they have hay. And I'm checking in the mornings and the evenings. I brought this bale in so I can just throw flakes of hay right over into their feeder. I don't even have to go out and get into the shipping container for the girls. Well, come on, go stay in here. Nickel's in there. That's all right. We'll get her in a little bit. The girls definitely go through more hay than the boys. We just have way more girls. Come on, Nickel. Yes, it's very exciting to be over here, but you have to go out. Yes, you have to go out. Just a second. Just a second. Go. Go. No. Come on, Nickel. You're getting bigger. You're getting too big for this. Okay. Our bucks are almost out of hay. I'm gonna have to get them some more too. I just gave them a bunch last night, so I'm kind of surprised that they're out already. Finnick, why don't you let Clyde have some? Thanks for watching. Remember, your dreams are closer than the moon. Thanks for taking this trip around the moon with us.